Welcome back to this 2025 Iveco Daily and the Lazer Lamps Glide Bar Light. So, Lazer Lamps have created two lights that go in the grille of the Iveco Daily. You have this one, which is the Glide lamp, and then you've also got the Linear 18. So it's just a slightly different style of light, and I think they kick out sort of throws of light, so slightly more distance on one, slightly wider beam pattern on the other. But either way, going to make a massive difference if you're driving down a dark country lane or something like that, and you need that more light. You know, it's going to produce a big sea of light everything up for you and make it all a lot easier. Standard thing with Lazer Lamps in terms of the fitting kit, fits really nicely onto the grille. Looks really, really nice and smart with the side mounts, and then also got extra little fixings down into the grille to firm it all up, make sure it's fully fixed on there. It's not going on it anywhere. And then again with Lazer Lamps, they think about everything, about all the ways you can have them wired into the vehicle. So this one has been wired up so that it is on just a single switch that's mounted inside the van. Admittedly, on this van, this customer's fitting a whole load of electronics in his van that we've sort of tapped into because he's got a nice little bank of switches. So we've utilised one of those just for turning it on and off when the ignition is on. But what you can also do is you could have it wired up to your main beam. So as soon as you flick your main beam on, you can then have this come on at the same time for flashing, or just chucking out all the light you've possibly got. Or you can use the canny box that Lazer Lamps supply, and then that enables the option for things like a driving position light, like a DRL. Admittedly, I haven't read up on all the specs. This one potentially might not do position driving lamps. I'll get Sammy to write it on the screen whether I'm right or not. So it just means that this one is switched separately. So as soon as the ignition is on, Jack, do you want to shut the ignition on? Using the little switch, we can just turn it on and off, and the lights don't have to be on. So at the moment we've got the van's DRLs on, but we've got the full beam light on, so we're producing a massive amount of light out the front of the van. They work a treat, as you've probably seen on any of the other Lazer Lamps we've done. If you looked at any of like the transporters and things like that, they throw out so much light, and also they look dead smart when they're on or when they are off. Ties in really nicely. And then that's about it really. Lazer Lamps, cracking bits of kit, add a real versatility to your van, and also makes them look really, really cool. So if you've got an Iveco or any other vehicle that Lazer Lamps produce a nice kit for, then get in touch, tell us what you've got, what you want, and then we can go from there. In the meantime, make sure you like, subscribe, and we'll see you again in the future. Thanks for watching.